Hello friends, today I will show you how to add markers on Google Map, and here we will write one simple PHP code to get these markers, and uh, and we will also add these markers, latitude, longitude, name and info in one MySQL database, and from that database we will get this marker. So first I'll show you how to create database. So from here we will create database. We need to go to the databases, create database. Here we will write that name, database name, and it will create database. In that database we need to create one table. So here we created table like this. We are using id and type int, and we given number 11, and this is auto increment primary key, and latitude, longitude, name and info, and here we inserted details, latitude, longitude, name, info, and these are the top 6 India city name like Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad. So after adding scripts we'll get the result like this. This is Delhi, this is Mumbai, this is Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai and Kolkata. So first of all you need to write one db config file. So here we will give the database connection details, like here I already given localhost root, password null and mapdb, and this is the uh, script to connect with that database. And after that we need to include the database in our we created here index.php. In that file we include this required _1 db config, and this is the query. Select start from location to fetch the data, and we need this script maps google apis.com maps api js, and here this key, we will get this key from when using that gmail email id. Using the email id we will get this detail. This is the how we will configure that map. Means this is the function init map, and these are the configurations, map options, roadmap. You are using roadmap, and here we even created display map. Means we need to create new google map. Here we are creating new google map, and we given that map canvas, and this is the id, this is the div id. In the in body we written that div id, this map canvas. So our map will display here, and we are getting that location like this. This is the one variable markers. This is array. In that array we are passing this name, latitude, longitude, and this is the info content. Here we are passing that name and info. So here add multiple markers to map. So here using this script, see where info window new google maps api, and this is the marker comma I. Place each marker on the map. So using this script we are adding each marker to that map. Okay, so using position this and this, the markers, we created that variable no markers. So I1 like this, this is the key Using that key we are getting the data, and it will, so it will place that marker on that map, Google map. And this script used to add that content on that marker. This is the content, so you'll get that content using this script. So see, here they are using set content and open map mark. And we can set that zoom level. So here I am using 4 zoom level to display that location. So this is the very simple steps to create that markers on Google Map. So you can also try this. I will add this script and database details on that YouTube content. From there you can download and configure in your system and test this is working or not. If you get any issue, please comment in that video. I will help you. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.